shot toward right center field. That ball will be in there. Extra bases. Johnson's going to score to tie it. Fuld digs for three, and the ball skips by Moustakas. Here comes Fuld, headed to the plate. Rays win! Rays win to the bottom of the ninth. How about that for a finish? Sam Fuld triples into right center field and scores when the throw to third gets by the third baseman. And the Rays win it in the bottom of the ninth inning, 8-7. Are you believing this? The Rays score 5 in the bottom of the ninth inning and win this one 8-7. What a finish as Sam Fuld truly finishes a perfect night. 3 walks, a single, and a triple, and he scores on the throwing error that skipped by Moustakas. After he had driven in the tying run, he scores the winning run. And the Rays come away winners tonight, 8-7. Well, it all started with the base hit by Joyce, and it ends on this shot off the bat of Sam Fuld, who triples up the alley.
Well, Sam Fuld, we haven't seen his magic in a while. Had a ball, smoked it. That's going to tie the game, and then the throw here. Sam Fuld, that late aggressive head first slide. The ball looked like it went off his shoe. Once it got by him up against that slow wall, Perez, who's done a lot right tonight, could not get that plate blocked, and Sam Fuld gets mugged. How about that?
So the Rays